YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest government job alerts and updated study material. Subscribe.
A very good evening and a warm welcome to all my dear students on online benches, SSC and railway platform. I most welcome you to this particular session of today, and I want that each one of you please do join the session as quickly as possible. Each one of you please do join the session as quickly as possible. Mandavi Pandey, hello and most welcome to the class. Keshri Nandan Srivastava, most welcome to the session. There was no class on Saturday. Saturday को मैंने एक marathon session लिया था, ठीक है ना? You might have attended that particular class. So all of you please do join the session as quickly as possible so that I can start the proceedings for today. Shruti, very good evening and welcome to the class. Okay, so how are you all and how is the preparation going on? How are you all and how is the preparation going on? Please tell me. Okay, so let's begin the class for today. In today's chapter, in today's class, we have the questions and the topics over the hydrosphere. First of all, those people who are new to this channel, who have come to the channel for the first time, please do download our online benches mobile application from the Google Play Store. Now, so the very first question for today is that, which of the following is the world's deepest ocean? The first question is, which of the following is the world's deepest ocean? Is it A, Indian Ocean? Is it B, Atlantic? Is it C, Arctic? Or is it deep Pacific? Please go for the reply quickly. And do share the session with your friends as well so that they can get the maximum benefit out of it. All of you, please respond to me very quickly. Am I audible and visible to you all? If yes, please do respond to the question quickly. Which of the following is the deepest ocean on the planet Earth? Shruti, if you are appearing for the IB the last 6 months is more than enough. You can go, and I will be bringing a series over that. You will be informed about that particular thing. Next Saturday, I am planning to take the current affair marathon. So that will be ideal for you people. Okay. Here the answer will be which one? You will say Pacific Ocean, which is the world's deepest ocean. And do you know one thing? Mariana Trench. You might have heard about Mariana Trench. It is the part of Pacific and it is the deepest point. It is the deepest point on the earth as well. Mariana Trench. D is the correct answer. Which is the correct definition of continental shelf? Can you please define what is continental shelf? The first option is the continuous series of mountain chains found in the abyssal plains and are of volcanic or tectonic origin. The continental shelf represents the depressions and trenches on the ocean floors. It is shallow seaward extension of continents having depth up to 200 meters and slope is very smooth. And the D option, the falling slopes in the oceans where slope is very stiff and no such deposition is found. These are of tectonic origin. Trenches are found near its foot limit as a subduction zone. Can you please define what exactly is the definition for the continental shelf? You can go through the options once again and take your time to answer this question. Please go for it. What is continental shelf? Always remember one thing, the continental shelf is defined as it is a shallow seaward extension of continents having depth up to 200 meter and slope is very smooth. So C will be the correct answer for this important question. All clear? When you talk about trenches, someone has asked me what trenches is all about. Can anyone answer what are trenches? Anybody? What are trenches? Anyone who can give me the exact meaning? You can simply say trenches are the small dug. जो छोटे गड्ढे होते हैं ना उसको हम लोग ट्रेंचेस में काउंट करते हैं. उसको ऐसे ध्यान रखना. What is ebb? You might have heard about tides and all. Ebb is the ocean current. It is the withdrawal of tide. It's the withdrawal of monsoon, or it is the climate change. Can you please tell me what is ebb? E-double-B. If someone asks you, what is the meaning of the word ebb? Is it an ocean current? Is it a withdrawal of tide? Is it a withdrawal of monsoon? Or is it a climate change? What is ebb? This is the next question for you. What do you mean by ebb? You will simply say it's the withdrawal of tides. Ebb is the withdrawal of tide. B is the correct answer. Which of the following is the cold Atlantic currents? Is it the Cayenne currents or the Cyan currents? Is it the Californian current? It is the Crucino current, or is it the Peruvian drift? Which of the following is the cold current in the Atlantic Ocean? Do you know one thing? Those ocean currents which flow from equator to pole is called as the warm ocean currents, and those ocean currents which flow from pole to equator are categorized as cold ocean currents. Now the question that is asked over here is that in the Atlantic Ocean, which of the following is considered to be a cold Atlantic current? Is it the Cayenne currents? Is it the Californian, Crucio, or is it the Peruvian current? Any option, any answer for this? You will say it's the Cayenne currents. A is the correct answer. Next important question is that what do you call an anticyclone circulation of oceanic currents comprising the North Equatorial Current, the Gulf Stream, and the Canary currents in the North Atlantic Ocean? What do you call an anticyclone circulation of ocean currents which comprises of North Equatorial Current, the Gulf Stream, and the Canary currents in North Atlantic Ocean? Is it jet stream? Is it El Nino? Is it La Nina? Or is it the Sargasso Sea? Please go for the answer. What do you call an anticyclone circulation of the oceanic currents which comprises the North Equatorial Current, the Gulf Stream, and the Canary current in the North Atlantic Ocean? Is it jet stream? Is it El Nino? Is it La Nina? Or is it the Sargasso Sea? The answer will be D option. It's the Sargasso Sea. Good evening, Avni. Welcome to the class. No issues. What do you understand by coral bleaching? What is coral bleaching? It represents the depressions and trenches on the ocean floors. It is the accumulation and compaction of skeletons of the lime secreting organism known as coral polyps. It refers to the loss of algae from the corals resulting into the white coloration, which is indicative of the death of corals, or it is an abrupt change of gradient to about 1 in 20 forming the continental slope. What do you mean by coral bleaching? These are some of the words in the oceanography. What exactly it refers to? What exactly is coral bleaching? You see, when it comes to bleaching, always remember one thing. It is the loss of algae from the corals resulting into the white coloration, which is indicative of the death of the corals. You see, whenever we say we bleach the thing, bleach is the which one? You can say coloration process. So whenever you listen to the word or come across a word bleaching, always remember one thing. It means coloration. This is coloration. All clear? All done? The North Pole lies in the middle of which ocean? This is the next question for you. The North Pole lies in the middle of which ocean? Is it Pacific? Is it Arctic? Is it Atlantic? Or is it the Indian Ocean? Can you please tell me about this? Where does our North Pole exist, or where does our North Pole lies? Is it in the middle of the Pacific? Is it in the middle of the Arctic? Is it in the middle of the Atlantic? Or is it in the middle of the Indian Ocean? Please go for it. Please go for the reply. What will be the answer? You will say it is in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. Which of the following ocean is S-shaped? Which of the following ocean is S-shaped? Is it Atlantic? Is it Pacific? Is it Arctic? Or is it the Indian Ocean? Please go for the reply. Which of the following ocean is considered to be S-shaped? Letter S. Which of the following ocean is S-shaped? Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, or the Indian Ocean? You see, when you connect the North Atlantic and the South Atlantic, it forms the letter S. So the answer will be Atlantic. When it comes to Pacific Ocean, remember this is triangular in shape. This is triangular in shape. And Pacific Ocean is also called as the rings of fire. And Indian Ocean is called as ocean of calm. Ocean of calm. C-A-L-M. Ocean of calm. This is the Indian Ocean. Mariana Trench lies in which of the following ocean? Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian. Mariana Trench lies in which of the following ocean? Is it Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian? Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian. Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian. You see, you will say this is the Pacific Ocean and this is the, it is the deepest point on the earth. (11,034 meters). Approximately, it is equal to 11 kilometers. Approximately how much you will say? It is about 11 kilometers. Its depth is about 11 kilometers. Which of the following are responsible for evolution of amphibians and further terrestrial animals? This is a very good question. This is about this question is from the evolution theory. Which of the following are responsible for evolution of amphibians and further terrestrial animals? Is it A, tides? Is it B, monsoon? Is it C, climate change? Or is it D, coral reef? Which of the following is responsible for the evolution of amphibians and further terrestrial animals? You see, first of all, the life started in the water, so they were aquatic animal who could only live under water. Then we have amphibians who can live underwater and land, and then came the terrestrial animal who started to live on the surface. So it is because of the tides, it is because of the monsoon, it is because of the climatic change or coral reef. You will say it's the climatic change. Due to the climatic change condition, you can say these evolution phenomenon took place gradually. So the answer will be this one. Absolutely, tortoise is an amphibian. Now you see, we have a session upcoming today at 6 p.m. on this particular English medium channel of our online benches SSC and railway platform maths, in which you are being taught with the profit and loss tricks, and this will be taken by your math expert Randhir Singh sir. Don't forget about this. So guys, this is all about the today's class. We had only the 10 questions over here, and we have done all these things today. And I wish you all in advance a very happy Republic Day. And I wish that this Republic stream in our heart, in our soul may exist and our country live along. And we as a citizen of this country must be proud of being the responsible citizen of this country, and we should always keep our country in a very high motion, on a high notion. This is all for the today, and happy Republic Day, and happy Republic Day. Thank you so much, guys.